When you are done with creating your first PDF viewer, now it's time to use this add-on. To use this add-on, you can embed or upload PDF viewers on a page or a post. So let's do it with a page. Go to Pages and click Add New. I am giving this as an example. Let's name the page Elementor PDF Viewer Test Page. And let's click on Edit with Elementor. Now from the search widget, search for PDF. You can see there are 6 different widgets that comes with this plugin. The first one that we are going to try is PDF Viewer Embed. What this module will do, this will show a PDF viewer inside a page or a post. For this, you need to select a viewer. Let's select Test Magazine. Width is automatically set to 100% and height is set to 800. You can put an iframe title if you want. You can see the PDF viewer is embedded on the page. So that's how you use the PDF viewer embed widget. Now when I click publish, let's have a look. You can see in this page a PDF viewer is embedded and it can work as a flipbook also. Thank you.